If you're looking for a course that is a quick and direct walkthrough of the PMBOK Guide 7th edition, then this is the course for you. Hi, I'm Joseph Phillips. I'm the Director of Education at Instructing.com, and I'm the author of several books on project management. In this course, we're going to walk through all of the details of this new approach where we no longer see things like the EDO that we have in previous editions of the PMBOK. So we're going to take a look at the new information and how in this new approach to projects does PMI tell us how we'll get from initiating through planning, how do we execute, monitor and control, and close the project management life cycle. And yes, we'll still look at the 49 project management processes, although we don't see these directly in the PMBOK Guide 7th edition. There's still a nod that processes are how we get from here to there. And it's the coordination of those processes through our 10 knowledge areas to go from one portion of the project to a later portion of the project. Or as I like to say, from your current state to that desired future state. So this is a great course to get you a good foundation without having to read the PMBOK Guide 7th edition. Get started today and let's keep moving forward. I'll see you in the course.